Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. My must-have Tunisian crochet hooks. I've been dabbling here and there in Tunisian crochet since I was pregnant with my oldest son, who recently turned 25. Wow. Over the years, I've had many different sets of Tunisian hooks. I've had the Knitter's Pride. I've had the Denise. I've had some from crochet.com. I got some from here and I got some from there. But I never could really find an aluminum hook that I liked. Several months ago, I found the perfect set of aluminum Tunisian crochet hooks. Now, at the time of purchasing those, I got them on AliExpress because that was the only place that I could find them. Since then, they have been added to Amazon, and I have that linked down below for you. But these are the perfect aluminum Tunisian crochet hooks. They are smooth. The yarn just glides over them. They are nice and pointy so that the tip of your hook goes right through your stitches. They have a great thumb rest. They are lightweight, and they come in 3mm to 10mm. Now, I don't know too many people that would use maybe the 3mm because you might have to use like a lace weight yarn to use that. I think that one is probably a little too small, but it has the infamous, the 7mm hook that everybody is always looking for. It's in this set. It comes in this brown case, which is not the most attractive, but it serves its purpose. They also recently released a pink set. So if pink's more your color, you can, grab that one for yourself. The best part is this set is under $50. That's right. It comes with your stoppers that you need to put at the end of your cables. It comes with this little silicone pad so that you can use the hook tightener so you can tighten it a little better. And it comes with 4 different size cables. You have 40, 60, 80, and 100. Future editing Erica here. I forgot to mention one of the most important facts about this set. They have a swivel hook. Why is a swivel hook so important? Let me show you. So a swivel hook is basically a hook that can turn on the cable without the cable moving. So why is this so important? Because when you have a lot of stitches here on your cable, you can just simply turn your hook the way you need to start and finish your stitches without having the weight of your stitches move with you. Another reason why the swivel is so great is because it reduces the stress on your wrist. Trust me, your wrist will thank you later. Now, back to the other part of the video. Love this set. I use it all the time. In fact, I'm using it right now on my newest Tunisian shawl design. I love these. I wouldn't suggest them if I did not think that they were great Tunisian hooks. These are my everyday go-to depending on what yarn I am using, because with every Tunisian hook as well as crochet hook, there's some yarns that work better on wooden hooks, and that's just how it is. So, as with anything, I would not suggest this product if it was something that I did not use myself. If you have any questions about these hooks, or where to get them or projects or anything like that, please leave a comment below. Also, comment below if you already have these Tunisian hooks and what do you think of them. Do you suggest another type of Tunisian hook? Comment that down below too, so that all of our community can share and find out what each other likes. And until next time, remember to be yourself, because everybody else is already taken. And happy crocheting. Bye.